Hey guys, I feel like I haven't given you a juice video in a while, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Jamaican ginger beer or ginger juice. So of course you're going to need some ginger for this, and here I have just 1 pound of ginger. The ginger is already nice and clean. So the first step is to just cut this ginger up. It depends on how powerful your blender is, but I'm just cutting up these really small or small enough. So I'm now going to add this to my blender, and in my blender here I have 6 cups of water, and this is purified water. You don't really want to use tap water for this one. So just add the ginger all in. And then you just blend this right up. Blend it out really well. Lovely. So next I'm going to, this is not over yet, I'm actually going to add this to some water, which is 4 cups of water that is over some low heat right now. I'm just going to add that to it. This was very strong, so if you don't want it strong you can add more water. So this is ginger juice and not really ginger beer, even though it's called like old-fashioned ginger beer in Jamaica. This one isn't the one that I'm going to leave to ferment. So here I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of rice to it, and this is white rice that I've washed. I'm not going to add yeast or anything to this. Next I'm going in with 4 cloves and 2 pimento seeds. You don't want to add too much cloves because the cloves are very strong. Mix everything together, and you're going to leave this over the low heat for only about 5 minutes. Cover it, leave it for 5 minutes over the low heat, then you're going to turn this off, and you can leave this for at least 5 hours, but I'm going to leave this overnight. So the next day, this is it, just nice and all cooled down. Of course the ginger is very strong, and ginger has so many like really great benefits for you. So of course the next thing we're going to do is strain this. You don't want to drink this with all the ginger trash that is in it, so just run this through your strainer. And in order for you to get out all that juice, you can use something to just move this around just a little. Or you can just use your hand. You're in the kitchen, so your hand should be clean, so just use it to press everything against the strainer until you get all the juice out, and then you can throw the trash away. Now if you're looking to be on the super healthy side, then you don't need to add any sugar to this or any form of sweetener, or maybe you can just use some natural sweeteners like honey, but here I'm adding a cup of granulated sugar. Then I'm going in with just the juice from 1 lemon. The lemon in this too is also very good for you, but if you're looking for the healthiest, on the healthier side of things, then you can just use a little honey or not so much sugar. It's all up to you. And once you mix this out to get dissolved, then you can just serve this nice and chilled. Lovely. This is very, very refreshing, and ginger is so good for you. I'll leave some I'll leave some notes in the description box to tell you some good health benefits of ginger, but this is really good for you. This is the old school or Jamaican style ginger beer, or you can just call this ginger juice because it doesn't have all that fizz like beer has. You know, it wasn't fermented, but trust me, this is so refreshing. Of course, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Until next video.